Every month there is a new article about a successful dairy enterprise. The primary reason is that India is the largest dairy market in the world, but it has least awareness of hygiene and quality. It is time for you and other dairy entrepreneurs to double the opportunity in this dairy industry and start the dairy business the old school way. And with the guide I have provided, 200 plus dairy entrepreneurs have started their dairy enterprise in the least time, and they are successful and profitably running this dairy enterprise. And if you want to be the same, then click the link below and know more about Dairy Setup Masterclass. Hi, I'm Amardeep Singh Chadha and I have 25 years experience in dairy industry. I'm director at Chadha Sales and I'm also a founder of Dairy Explorer program. So with my expertise and knowledge, I have created this Dairy Setup Masterclass. So get into this masterclass where I'll tell you each and every step in which you can also have your great successful dairy enterprise.